It has started. What was that? Red, red was going on? Open? Like that?
Sir, like this.
Timing was going on?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I think you said time.
No. So I was telling about island. Okay, island is a piece of land which is surrounded by water from all sides. For example, and there's a see the examples are in the book. Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Lakshadweep Islands. These are the groups of islands which are in India. Okay, these are the group of islands which are in India.
Small island, no?
Yes. So islets are small islands. Islands are usually big, but islet is a small island. Okay. So it's very beautiful scenario when you go to island, when you see like piece of island, piece of land, and that piece of land is surrounded by water from all sides. So it's very like amazing, very wonderful, you know. So that was about islands. Now let's know the next topic. What is this? Isthmus. Isthmus. It's not is. You have to pronounce like isthmus, not isthmus.
Here is silent.
Yes.
Isthmus.
Isthmus. Okay. Yes. What is isthmus?
Sir, isthmus is a network of land that connects two larger land masses and separates two bodies of water.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Let's understand. An isthmus is a narrow strip of land that connects two larger land masses and separates two bodies of water. Land masses means that it's like a piece of land. Okay, like
That is.
yes, like that is in the picture. Like isthmus, what? Yes. What is the question? Isthmus is what? Isthmus is a strip area of land which separates one place to other. Two water bodies. Okay. There are two water bodies. In between. It's like this. These are water. So this is the strip. This is isthmus. This is isthmus. Understood? This strip of land separates the two water bodies. These two seas. These are the two seas. Okay, these are the seas. So this piece of land separates these two water bodies. Understood? So that is the isthmus. Isthmus. Yes. What is the question? Okay, let him go. These things are not during class time. Haven't you visited the washroom during your lunch time? Go.
Sir, like this. Sir, this. So water bodies in the
These are water bodies, but isthmus, it's in the picture you can see. In the book, isthmus.
Sir, no, in book they are not.
But I have sent you the picture during Zoom class time. I have sent. Like there is a strip of land which is separating the two water bodies. I have sent you in your class group. You can check what is isthmus. I have sent the pictures of each and every landforms and water bodies. No, it's not the isthmus. It's something else. Let me see. Okay, now let's discuss the next. Have you understood about this isthmus island?
Yes, sir, I understood. And sir,
Yes.
sir, what is SUEZ in this Swiss? Isthmus.
This isthmus of Suez means that that piece of land which divides the two seas. So that is the isthmus of Suez.
Lines between the
Mediterranean Sea. See, that I was telling, that two sea. I have said no, that this isthmus divides, separates two seas, the Mediterranean Sea and the Mediterranean Sea
and Red Sea.
and Red Sea. See, you can see. Yes, girls, what are you talking? What is the problem? So this isthmus, that strip of land, separates two seas, the Mediterranean Sea,
And Red Sea.
the Mediterranean Sea and the Red Sea. Yes. Okay.
It connects the continents of Asia and Africa.
Yes. Red Sea and Mediterranean Sea. This isthmus separates this. Okay. Yes. Now let's know the peninsula. You can see in the picture peninsula. Peninsula is
Piece
what?
of land.
Okay. Yes, peninsula is that piece of land that.
The southern part of India is called peninsula.
Yes, the southern part of India is peninsula. Okay, the south part of this India is the peninsula. Okay, so peninsula is that land which divides three parts, not the whole part, but three parts
Three sides.
from three sides. Okay, so that is peninsula. No. So the southern part
Sir,
of
can you
India
please
is.
tell me what is this extend beyond mainland?
That means that peninsula extends, means it separates the mainland. It separates the mainland, okay, from where? From the surrounding water, okay? Yes. From the surrounding water. Yes.
All three sides.
Mainland, the large land masses belonging to the country. The land masses, the land on which we are living. So some land masses which are close to the sea, close to the sea. So that peninsula separates that extends that area. Okay, so that is the peninsula. Understood? Okay. Now let's know the next topic, that is
Sir,
coast.
that is coast. Sir,
Yes.
coast is the area where land there are plains in coastal regions known as coastal plains.
Okay. Okay, now let's know about coasts. There is this.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now our next is coast. Next topic is coast. C-O-A-S-T. Okay. Now what is this? This is the area where land meets the sea or oceans. Okay. This is that area which meets the sea and ocean. Okay. That is that.
Ocean.
This is that land. You can see where you can go for picnic. Okay, it's like sandy area. Like sand is there all the way. Okay. Yes. Now, see, many harbors and ports lie in the coast. You know what is harbor?
I don't know.
Harbor is that. See, harbor. Listen. Harbor is that area from where the ships go, from where the ships is loaded, from where it's that place from where ships are loaded with goods. Ships, boats. They are loaded from that area. Loaded. To put something in that ship. Okay. Like you want to do a kind of migration. So you put those things in a place, and that ship floats to other country or anywhere. Okay, so that is the harbor is that place. Harbor is that place from where the ships are loaded. The ships and boats are loaded. Okay, understood? Why does it be like that? 6 straight. 6 straight at a 90-degree angle. Yes. I'm coming to that. Yes, ports are those like airports. You know airports?
Yes.
So likewise, there are seaports. Like there are airports. The same way there is seaport.
India has two coasts.
Okay, like sea.
Eastern coast and western coast.
Airport.
Sir, India has two coasts. The eastern coast and the western coast.
Okay, so seaport. From where the suppose passenger wants to travel through sea, so he can travel by
Sir, by boat.
he can travel by ports. Okay, there are ports made like airport. What is made in airport? Airplanes are there. What are there?
Airplanes are there.
So what about seaports?
Seaports, boat, ship.
Yes, you. At seaports, what is available like for your journey, for your like you want to have a trip. So what is available at that port? Say loud, I cannot hear your voice. Ships and boats, yes. Stop. Now see, at ports, see, and ports lie in the coast. What are coast? Coasts are those areas which are close to the sea, close to the river.
In the sea or ocean.
Okay, wrong.
And sir, there are two coasts in India.
Yes, in India there are
Eastern
two.
coast and the western coast.
Okay. Yes. It's not cold outside. Go.
They on the Indian coast.
So there are two coasts. They are the eastern coast.
And western coast. Western coast. Western coast. Western coast.
First one.
Many harbors and ports. Eastern coast. Western coast. And like Gujarat, Kerala, and Tamil Nadu are some states that lie on the India coast. Am I right, sir?
Okay. So these India has two coasts. Okay. They are the eastern coast and western coast. Like
Example like
Gujarat, Kerala, Tamil Nadu are some states. Let me explain. If I'll ask you, then you just reply that. Okay. Don't just interrupt like that. Stand up. Things are recorded. I don't want to say something that is going to be recorded on YouTube. So behave properly, okay? Or I'll throw you outside. Now, so India has two coasts, the eastern coast and western coast. Okay, so in that there are like Kerala, Gujarat, Tamil Nadu. These are some of the states that lie in the Indian coast. Like India has two coasts, eastern coast and western coast. So in that Gujarat, Kerala and Tamil Nadu are the states in which these coasts lie. Okay, understood? There are plains in coastal regions too. They are known as coastal plains. Coastal plains means those areas which are flat. Those areas which are flat, like this. Okay, like farm, like plain ground. These are the plain areas. Okay, so coastal areas, coast also has plain area. Coast also has plain area. Okay. Now that is said to be the coastal plain. Okay. Now let's know the next topic. That is beach. How many of you have seen beach? Beach.
Along the coast of a sea.
Okay, beach. How many of you have seen? Where you have seen? Dubai. Okay. So here, Dubai is not an island. Yes, Dubai is not an island. Yes, in Mumbai, like you must have seen in Juhu, Juhu beach. Where else?
Goa beach.
Goa is not in Mumbai. Please say you are Mumbai. Okay. So you know in beaches, what happens? Everywhere there is sand. What is going on? I am saying everything is recorded. You are idiots. Okay, so beach. What is beach? Beach is a narrow piece of land that lies along the coast of sea or ocean. Okay, so have you seen the sea and ocean? The area which is close to the sea and ocean is the beach. Okay.
It's called a beach.
Yes. Like everywhere there is
Like
sea.
the Marina Beach and in Chennai.
Everywhere is water. Okay. So this
Mumbai,
area,
you in Mumbai, some of the beach.
the sanded area is the beach. Okay. The sand area is called the beach. Okay. Now there are some of the examples like Marine Beach, like
in Chennai.
Juhu Beach in Mumbai. Okay, that I said. So these are the examples of beach. Yes, where you can go and enjoy. You can go and do picnic. Okay.
So now next topic is water bodies.
Yes.
Yes. About 71% of the Earth's surface is covered with water. Let us read about the water bodies on Earth. Ocean. An ocean is a very large body. Sea is a
Writing the beach names. Grand Beach and Juhu Beach. Okay. Yes. Now let's know about the water bodies. Okay, shall I read this now?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay.
Sir, we are writing copy.
Don't write it, just explanation.
So now water body. Water body. Water body. Water body.
Okay, water bodies. What do you mean by water bodies?
The water body is ocean, sea, river, lake, state. Sir, I know about water bodies. About 71%
Yes.
of the Earth's surface is covered with water.
Yes.
Sir, I know about Earth is covered by body of water. 71%.
Don't listen to them. Don't listen to them, just do your work. Okay. Give to whom? To them what? Yes.
Sir, I know about water bodies.
No, water bodies.
So water bodies 71% covered by Earth's surface.
Yes. Okay. So what I am saying, water bodies are those areas which are covered by water. Okay. On Earth, like 71% of water is covered on Earth. Okay. So those areas are the water bodies. Okay. Like for example, ocean.
Very large body. Sea, river.
Okay. See. Ocean.
Sea, river,
Then sea.
lake, bay, strait. Sea, river. Sir, ocean is the very large body.
Now tell me about what do you know about ocean?
Sir, ocean is the
What do you
very
know
large
about
water body.
Yes, what is ocean?
Sir, ocean is the large water body.
One by one.
Sir,
Don't.
can I tell?
Yes, please tell.
Sir, can I tell?
Let Aman speak. Yes, Sudha.
The ocean is a very large water body.
Okay.
Sir, ocean are 5 oceans of the earth.
On the earth.
On the earth.
Yes.
The Pacific,
On earth, not the earth. Yes.
example Pacific, Atlantic,
Okay.
Arctic, Indian, and the Southern Ocean.
Yes. There are 5 oceans. Okay. There are how many? 5 oceans. You can say that Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, then Arctic Ocean, then yes, Pacific Ocean, Atlantic, Arctic, Indian, and Southern Ocean. Okay. Now let's write. Shall I write? Pacific Ocean,
Atlantic,
Atlantic,
Arctic, Indian and Southern Ocean. Indian Ocean and Southern Ocean.
Arctic, Indian,
And Southern Ocean.
yes, Southern Ocean. That is Southern Ocean. Yes, just a minute.
Indian Ocean lies to the south of India. Sir, about sea islands.
Okay. So these are the 5 oceans. These are the 5 oceans in the world. Okay, 5 oceans are there in the world. They are the Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Indian Ocean, and Southern Ocean. Okay. Now let's know about sea. How many seas are there?
Sea is a large water body, but it is smaller than ocean and Indian Ocean, sea,
Okay,
South
now-
China Sea.
Yes.
Sea.
Sea is a very large. Listen. Okay. Can you see what you are doing? Okay. Sea is also a large water body, but it is smaller than an ocean. Sea is a larger body, but it is smaller than ocean. Okay, and it's bordered by land. It is bordered by land. You know, 71% of water is surrounded by 71% is surrounded by water. On this earth, 71% of water is surrounded by water. 71% of the earth's surface is covered with water. Can't you see that? So what I'm asking, what I'm saying, that 71% of water is covered with 71% of the earth is covered by water. Okay. So what I'm saying, that sea is larger body, but it is not, but it is smaller than ocean. Okay. For example, Mediterranean Sea, South China, Coral Sea, and the Arabian Sea. Okay, let's write down the names of seas. Okay.
Mediterranean Sea, Mediterranean.
No. Let me finish.
South China Sea. No. And no. Coral Sea and Arabian Sea. And Arabian Sea. The water from oceans and seas contain a lot of salt.
Okay. Yes, in this ocean, what it contains? It contains lots of
Salt.
salt. What does it contain? Lots of salt. Okay. So now, Hafsa, tell me the names. Tell me the names of the seas. They are all backbenchers, so let me ask you them. Yes, but Afsha, please tell me the names of the sea. Only last. Just wait 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Yes, but Afsha, please tell the names of the sea. Tell me the names of the sea. Yes. Just can you speak? Your voice is so low. Okay. Yes. See, Mediterranean Sea, South China Sea, then Coral Sea, then Arabian Sea. Okay, it's on the board. Can't you see that? Can you see on the board? You should sit in the front. Your voice is so low. Girls, don't talk. Okay, now let's know about rivers. Shall we know?
Sir, can I tell what is river? Sir, river is a natural stream.
Okay. See, what is river? Please tell.
Sir, river is a natural stream.
Okay, how river is formed? How river is formed? Who will tell? How river is formed? How can you see the river flowing in the river? How water is flowing in the river? How can you tell?
Channel with district banks.
Like you are saying that river is a natural stream. How can you say that river is a natural stream?
Sir, moving water and flowing in the channel.
How from sea?
District banks.
How river gets the sea? How river gets the water? Like it is said to be natural stream.
Sir, by smaller river.
How smaller river is formed? By the rainfall. By the rainfall. That's why it is said the natural stream. Okay. So when this rainfall, what happens? The rivers are formed. Okay. When this flow of water from mountains, rivers are formed. Okay. So that's why it is called as natural stream. Stream means the flow of water. Okay. That forms river or oceans. Okay. Rivers, ponds, like that. Okay. Now, see, river is any natural stream of water.
Rivers are so deep and have water.
Natural stream of moving water that flows in a channel. Channel. Channel means like a strip of water.
Sir, not channel.
Channel means strip of water. Okay. Passage, yes. With distinct banks. Like banks means like somewhere this collection of water, so it forms banks. There is some collection of water, so that forms water banks while you're sleeping. Okay. Now, small rivers are called what? Small rivers are called streams. Okay. Now, small rivers.
There are two kinds of rivers.
There are two kinds of rivers.